no church bell gonna save me now. Roll that banjo. Gonna save me now. Roll that banjo. I got mud on my boots and a wrench in the bed. Couple bad decisions still living in my head. Blue collar blood with a red line heart. Built this whole damn life from broken down parts. County line outlaw, ain't never fit in. Still got scars where the devil been grinning. Every tattoo tells another damn tale. Some came from freedom, some came from jail. I'm gasoline mixed with Tennessee rye. One foot of living, other foot ready to die. I don't need luck, I just sharpen my steel. Real recognize real, you can't fake how I feel. I've been through hell, but hell knows my name. Every loss just poured more fire in my veins. Hey, raise 'em up if you came from the dirt. Middle fingers high if this life still hurts. We don't back down, we bite back first. We were born to bleed, we were born to work. Banjo screaming while the marshal burns. Smoke in the sky while the world still turns. Can't break a soul that's already been cursed. We're dirt road renegades. Top cheap, I've been playing with sweat. Every damn dollar got my name on the check. Boss man now, but I still swing pipe. Still crawl under houses in the dead of the night. Lost good people, buried too young. Still hear their voices when the work day's done. So I light one up to the stars above. Tell them save me a seat if heaven got enough. Everybody wants gold, but they hate the grind. Everybody talks tough till it's hammer time. I'd rather die standing than live on my knees. Tell the reaper, boy, you wait on me. No surrender, no retreat. Steel-toe boots, 6-foot beat. Hey, raise 'em up if you came from the dirt. Middle fingers high if this life still hurts. We don't back down, we bite back first. We were born to bleed, we were born to work. Banjo screaming, ties throwing stone. Blood made family, the road made home. If tomorrow comes, they'll remember the name of Dirt Road Renegades. Some people inherit a legacy. Some of us